to the demonstration of date and time formatting in FloData. Watch and learn how formatting date and time in FloData is fast, simple, and requires only a few minutes. Let's start by grabbing a Generate Rows step and dragging it onto the grid. We need this because our getSystemInfo cannot be the first step, so we'll simply make this a dummy value. Next, open up the getSystemInfo step. We'll put in one field called current_date_time, and we'll set the type as system_date variable, which will just retrieve the current system date. Next, we'll grab a calculator step. We're going to use this calculator step to break apart the system date return from the getSystemInfo step. The first one we'll have is no time, which will remove the time from our current date time. The next is day, which will retrieve the day, month, which will retrieve the month, and year, which will retrieve the year. All of this is being done on our current date time field. We'll set the first one as a string, and the rest of them being integers. Now FloData automatically puts slashes in between the day, month, and year. If we want to replace the slashes with dashes, we can, using replace string. We'll set our inStream field as no time, and our result field as modified date. We'll search for this slash and replace it with a dash. And now we can save this step. To completely remove the timestamp, we'll need to come into a formula step. We'll make the field as only date and the formula as mid, and it will take that modified date and retrieve the characters between 1 and 10. Now in our log, we have all of our new fields and our old ones. Now we can save this. We'll save the flow, and now we can run the flow. The flow has been completed. Let's see the logs. As we can see at the top, our system date field, and then under no time, we have the date, but with zeros on the timestamp, and then our day, month, and year. Now we have our modified date with dashes instead of slashes. You can see the dash. And now the only date, which completely removes the timestamp so it doesn't show zeros either. Thank you for watching. For more information, send us your queries at info@flodata.io or call us at 209-755-6464.